Hey lovely people, welcome and welcome back on my channel. Hope you guys all doing well. In today's video I'm gonna do very minimal, very dewy eye makeup look for a day party and a day wedding and day Eid function. You can wear it, and a summer makeup eye makeup look I'm just gonna create. Let's get started. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. If you have already subscribed my channel, thank you so much. I'm very grateful to for your support, for your likes, for your comment. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for your subscribing my channel. So thank you so much. I have prepared my face, I have washed my face, applied aloe vera gel, and now I'm gonna apply my moisturizer. My favorite part of this video, my moisture. I have to moisturize my face. Prepare my face well because cosmetic products will harsh and damage your skin. So before applying any foundation, any chemical product, so you just make sure apply a good amount of moisturizer and a natural ingredient like aloe vera gel, and what you have, just prepare your face very well before applying any chemical products. So I just make sure you have applied and clean your face well. Sometimes we have oil in our, sometimes we have dust on our face and apply product directly, so that will cause acne, pimple. So before applying anything, you just need to wash your face clearly, cleansing, toning and moisturizing. You can also choose this process. I wash my face with a wheat gram flour, so you can also choose this if you like. So you guys think why I apply moisturizer if I'm not going to do a makeup? I applied as I have told in my previous videos, so I just do this for camera, for a little shine, my face glow and shine on camera, so that's why I do this. So I have taken my mirror already. Let's move to the next step. So in concealer and so now moving to the next step, shadow, this color. Make sure there is no crease lines, no lines, just blend it well before. So now I'm taking this color and applying in this area. Circle, just make the same color I'm taking again. I'm taking this mustard yellow color or mustard color down to that color. I don't have orange color, so what would I do? I have orange shimmery color here, but I want a matte, so I'm taking this color. This is kind of orange, I think a little darker, and brown orange. This is, I think, brown orange because it has a little intensify color of brown. This is not a pure orange, so I'm gonna add a little bit of red and then this color. I'm pressing this, so I'm taking this orange shimmery color on the lids only. Don't brush it up on upper side, just put on the lids. This is very subtle evening or daytime wedding eye makeover look, and you can apply liner on it and mascara, and on the lower line you can add a little shine there. You can add a golden or orange shimmery color on in this areas. You can add a little glitter. You can also add a very light color and a kajal. As simple as you can take a kajal and just smudge it. So now I'm taking this mascara and brushing my lashes. So this is an eye makeup look for daytime party or evening party, or in your indoor parties like Eid, like get together parties. So this is very subtle minimum makeover look, and I have not applied liner. You can also add a liner in it. You are a liner person, you can go with it. And I have not applied foundation, that's why it's not enhance the look. But if you will makeup, so you intensify or enhance your look, you can also follow me on Instagram, the Rosy Makeup. If you guys enjoyed my today's video, let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and take care of your friends. Bye bye.